campus life?
Campus life, an job. I am job.
Oh, you have a job?
Yes.
So what's your job? What's your job?
What is job? An individual by the days. The job is individual at the church. First time 20,000 in the beginning. I can Addis Ababa.
Oh.
Because Addis Ababa. At the beginning is the extension. The 2 years 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 6 and 1 2 3 4 6 1 2 3 4 5 the extension.
Yeah.
The extension. Next the regular 16 is the beginning. 21,000.
So
21.
So it's the first time to join at Sub University?
Yes.
Oh. So how did you get to the campus?
At the beginning, 21. ወይም ደግሞ 20 2001 ማለት ነው። the beginning is 21. 2021 Dr. Abiy is very nice because my observation at the graduation place because very nice.
عشرة 14 عام تمهيرك بقى لو زعدل زي بصحنا سرحنا على محل عوي عدلي
اي جيسي حضرتها على تاي مالك
اي بطل يا جيسي مالك الاموت هاي يا جاهل قلنا
Well, within this 20 years, it will also be able to further develop its transportation facilities, expand and develop its financial institutions, as well as its power supply. At the end, if Eritrea uses agriculture, it will, for the next 15 to 20 years, it will be potentially capable of industrial development. But now, as it is, it's best if Eritrea uses agriculture. Thank you, that's all.